Alright, so here's a quick review of nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. This is only going to go kind of over the basics of each one, but if you need help more specifically about either, you can go back and watch any of the old videos, but this will tell you everything that you need to be able to know and do for your review quiz. Alright, so the first four things you've got to know about these is the definitions. You got to know what each one means. So I would write these down, or make sure you know these. A noun is a person, place, a thing, or an idea. A verb is an action, word, or a state of being. An adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun or a pronoun. And an adverb is a word that describes or modifies a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. These will be the first four questions on the quiz. You've got to be able to identify them correctly. Okay, so on your piece of paper that you should have in front of you, you need to write down these 5 sentences. Jimmy went fishing with his old dad. The orange basketball slowly rolled down the steep hill. Mike's sweet grandma baked a cake. I have had enough of this nonsense. And Mike is slowly eating. Write down these 5 sentences, and then you need to label each word, whether it's a noun, a pronoun, or a noun, a verb, an adjective, or an adverb. So I'm going to do the first one right here so you can see how to do it. Jimmy is a noun, so I'm just going to put an N under it. Went is a verb. That's a helping verb because fishing is a verb. Old is describing dad, so old is an adjective. So I'm going to put adjective. And dad is a noun. There are no adverbs in this particular sentence. So you need to do that for the other 4. When you've done those, you should restart the video and check your answers. Alright, so here we go with your answers. So check yours over, make any corrections if you need to, so you can know that you're going to get these right. So the and orange are adjectives describing the basketball. Slowly is describing rolled, so slowly is an adverb describing rolled, the verb. The and steep are adjectives describing hill. Next one, Mike is a noun. Grandma is a noun. Sweet is describing grandma, so sweet is an adjective. Baked is a verb, it's an action. Cake is a noun, and a, she only made a cake, not multiple cakes, so a is an adjective describing the cake. I is not a noun, it's a pronoun, so you should not have I marked. Have, had are verbs. Have had is had's a verb, and have is helping had, so they're both verbs. Enough is a noun, it's a thing, it's an idea. Of and this are not anything that we know of yet, and nonsense is a noun, it's an idea. Last one, Mike is a noun, is a verb, eating is a verb, and slowly is the adverb sandwiched in there. So for the quiz, you're going to have 2 sentences. Each sentence will have some words underlined. You need to be able to tell me whether it's a noun, a verb, an adjective, or an adverb. So you can go back and do this practice as many times as you want. You can look back at any of the previous videos as many times as you want. But make sure that you know all of the 4 definitions for noun, verb, adjective, and adverb. And make sure you can identify them in sentences correctly. That's it.